Hey, what's going on, this old PlayHousers? I'm working on cleaning the place up since it's a rainy poopy day outside today. I do have the tar paper up. I got a tarp over it too because I don't have flashing around my skylights yet, but we'll get there. So yeah, this is what I'm working with. Got a little light in here for now. Floors are gross and kind of dirty and old looking. I'm gonna run a sander. Sander down, run a couple coats of polyurethane, and the floor should look a little bit better. I'm not sure what I'm doing about the walls yet. Maybe clean them a little bit. Got this like mildew looking stuff on there. I don't know. Think of something. All right, so major fail. We tried the old Harbor Freight special. Belt sander, trying to belt sand the floors. I wasn't really doing a whole lot of progress there. And seeing how these floors are kind of iffy and a little uneven. Need something a little bit more powerful and ballsy. I got a palm sander too that's on a random orbit, but it didn't work too good. So we ran over to the old Home Creepo and picked up a nice big old belt sander. Or not belt sander, but I don't know. It's a sander. Big, huge, heavy-duty job. So it's got like a sharp plate on it, and then pretty straightforward. You just putting this pad on, like so, boom, and then on top of the pad, you just got your adhesives. Adhesive back sandpaper just pops right on the pad. So you start with a real heavy grit. You got a 36 grit first, boom. Then you go down to a finer grit, 80 grit, boom. And when you're all done, you want to get it all nice and finished up, go with a 120, ready for the polyurethane. These floors have not been treated or painted or anything, so I'm just pretty much cleaning them and sanding the hell out of them, and then I'll treat them with the polyurethane. Oh yeah.
Hello, Detective. It is I, the Return of Bane.
wired up. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen.